Curved MPR can easily be used in the Aiken Workstation Osirix Pro software to generate single-plane views of curved anatomical structures such as coronal views of the mandible, spinal column, aorta, or a dental panoramic view. To demonstrate this function, use the database search tool to find the patient Curved MPR Dental. Left-click once in the search box to choose patient name and type Curved MPR. The search has now been refined to our desired patient. Select the study using a single left mouse click. Since there is only a single series, we can load the images using a single left click over the 2D, 3D viewer icon. Magnify the image using the up arrow key or by depressing the right mouse key and dragging the mouse upward. Press and hold the mouse scroll wheel to move or pan the image to the center of the screen. Window level the image to an acceptable level. Scroll through the images using the left-right arrow keys, or the navigation bar above the images, or the mouse scroll wheel until an image portraying the teeth embedded in the mandible is found. Left-click on the down arrow to the right of the ROI Tools icon and select the Opened Polygon option. Move the crosshair to the desired beginning location and left-click to indicate the first point of the open polygon. Left-click along the desired curved MPR path. Double-click when you reach the final point. A menu appears which allows you to further identify the polygon. Close the menu. We could create the curved MPR at this point, but if we decide we want to have these markings appear on all the images of this series as opposed to just one, we will need to remove the current marking first and remark the points. To accomplish this, left-click to activate or highlight the current marking and erase using the Delete key. To create a new marking that will appear on all images in the series, hold down the Shift key while indicating the first point of the open polygon and continue until the last point is marked. Double left-click when completed and close the pop-up menu. Use the mouse scroll wheel to see the markings on other images. If you hold the left mouse button while the cursor is over one of the lines between the points, you can drag the whole polygon over the image. If you want to adjust a point, place the cursor over an existing point and hold the left mouse button to move or adjust the point. While the open polygon points are visible, left-click on the down arrow at the lower right of the 2D, 3D icon and select 2D Curved MPR using a single left mouse click. A menu appears asking for the desired number of images to produce the curved MPR slab. Place the cursor over the blue arrow on the slider bar and depress the left mouse button to drag the slider bar to approximately 15 millimeters or 43 slices. You also have the choice of creating a corresponding cross-sectional series, which we will not do at this time. Select OK to generate the new series. We now see the two series displayed on the screen. To close the original axial series, left-click on the upper red button to the left of the series name. The panoramic view is now available for window, leveling, and scrolling. To save this series as part of the patient's study, prepare to left-click once on the Export DICOM icon. If you do not have the Export DICOM icon, right-click in the upper toolbar area to access the Configure Toolbar option. Drag the tool to the toolbar and click Done. Left-click once on the Export DICOM icon. A menu will appear asking for input. Under Export to DICOM files, select All images of the series. Under Image Format, select As Stored in Memory, 16-bit BW. In the series name box, type PANOREX Recon. Select OK. A DICOM series is generated and is now permanently available as a separate series in this exam. Left-click on the database icon to return to the work list. Notice that when the patient's exam is expanded by left-clicking on the right arrow to the left of the patient name, you will see that the new series name is listed as a secondary captured DICOM series in this study. If your workstation has been configured to send your facility's PACS, you can send this specific series to PACS by right-clicking on the series listing in the work list or on the thumbnail image, and by selecting the Send to PACS option. A menu appears asking for input. Close without sending at this time. If you need to send the entire study to PACS, right-click on the exam line and select Send to PACS. Provide input as requested by the menu and select Send.